How to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, get logged into your Roblox and now let's go ahead and access our avatar. For that, click on three-bar icon, click on avatar. Wait for this to load and you will see your avatar here. Now in order to, equip multiple accessories, here is what you can do. Click on accessories. Let's say you wanna face accessorize twice. You want to wear both these glasses. Here is how you can do it. This will only let you choose one item. If you go ahead and choose another one, this will be gone. Now, in order to use both of these items, in my case, I'm going to show with the glasses, for instance, but you can use it for any of the other items. So in order to use both of these, you will see advanced here. Now, first of all, if you click on advanced, it will ask for asset ID. Let's go ahead and copy this asset's ID. Take it and open it in a new tab. Here you'll see Roblox.com and this is the ID. You have to copy this number. Once it is so, go back to Roblox, click Advanced. And now here simply paste the ID. Click Save. It will ask you if you would like to overwrite your current look. Click Save. And now you can see that I'm wearing both of these glasses. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.